Today I'm here to show you a little tutorial on how to find some background information to get you started on research topics. So the place that we're going to focus our attention on is going to be BC3 Library. So whenever you reach this link, it's library.bc3.edu. And so if you're in a position where you're unsure where to start, you have a couple topics in mind, but you really don't know what to write your thesis statement on, this is a good way to really narrow something down. So as you arrive here on the home page, you're just going to want to scroll down and focus on search box central here. So as you can see, we have a photo of a girl reading in the library, and this tab is books and more. So we're going to want to move to the tab called background resources. So you're going to want to click here, and first I'm going to draw your attention to create a reference. So create a reference is mostly like an online encyclopedia, and so you're going to want to click here, and whenever you use this online encyclopedia, you can type in sort of a broad search term, maybe a topic that you had in mind, and it's going to help you narrow that topic down a little bit further. Once we get our narrowed down topic, then we're going to move on to take a look at some different issue topic sites. So for me today, I'm doing some research on climate change and the environment. So I'm simply going to type in environment. And we're going to go ahead and see what that brings up. So what's really cool about Create a Reference is, as you can see on the right, it kind of gives me this really amazing mind map of my broad topic, and then it has subtopics that kind of stretch out almost like a spider web. So I'm taking a look at these, and what really is interesting me a little bit more is this focus on sustainability over here. So I'm actually going to click that, and that's going to reroute my search for sustainability. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of take a look through here and see if there's anything that really catches my eye regarding the definition of sustainability, some interesting facts about sustainability, some short and some long articles on sustainability. So as I'm reading through this, if I find something that I think will really serve me when I'm writing my research paper, I'm going to make sure I save it as a source to my works cited page. Even if it's simply a definition, or even if it's one quote, you have to make sure that you're saving all of your sources. Background research really does count on your works cited page. So as I'm moving away from here, I know that for sustainability has a focus on energy efficiency. So I'm going to go ahead and decide that that is my narrowed down topic. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my search box central. I'm still under the background resources tab. And if I scroll down and I pass reference databases and I focus on issue topic databases. So here are really great sources for issue topics. So this is for whenever you have a more narrowed down focus and you want to see both sides of the situation. This is especially helpful whenever you're writing your persuasive essay, because you need to find resources that support your stance as well as resources that support your counter stance, so the counter argument. So let's go ahead and take a look first at CQ Researcher. All right, so CQ Researcher, you can do a couple things while you're here. You can go ahead and browse topics. And these topics can kind of help you narrow down your search even more. So environment, climate, and natural resources, I can actually click here and it will bring down all of the different subtopics that I may be interested in. And so like I said, I was kind of interested in energy efficiency and sustainability. So I do see energy and the environment here, and energy is part of my keyword search. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. Awesome. So as you can see, you can go ahead and choose from whatever you want here to read. As you can see, everything is in order chronologically, and at the top we have the most recent report. You can read anything, and I like to say a good rule of thumb is try to maintain your search within the past 10 years maximum. We don't want anything any older than that. In fact, I would like you to first read the most timely information because that will make for a better argument. So I'm going to go ahead and focus here. Let's see, probably renewable energy since I'm interested in energy efficiency, and then I'll work my way up. Make sure you go ahead and read through here. See if there's anything that catches your eye. If there's even one quote that you might be able to lift from here and add to your research essay, then you need to add this source to your Works Cited page. To do that, you can actually click the Cite Now button. You can click MLA, and you can simply copy and paste this MLA citation to your Works Cited page. Make sure you double check it in case there are errors, and make sure that you manually add your hanging indents. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you the other topic database, which is Issues and Controversies. This one seems a little bit more broad. It has a lot more subtopics to search through. So if you go ahead and click Issues, you can see everything is in order from A to Z. So if you go back to Home and you simply scroll down, you can choose to look at all issues by the subject or all issues A to Z. If this is a bit too much scrolling, skip over it and simply type in what you're looking for in the search bar. Excellent. So I typed in sustainability, and I can probably get a bit more focused if I typed in energy efficiency. And that's cool because it kind of entered my text for me. So you can go ahead and look around here and see if there's anything that catches your eye. So I know energy efficiency, solar energy, light bulbs, all of this kind of is under the same umbrella. So I'm going to browse around, and I think that this article regarding energy efficient light bulbs and how they should be standardized might come in handy later when I'm reading or when I'm writing my essay. So like I said again, if this is something that you'd like to utilize and you can lift maybe a single quote from here, and as you can see it highlights all of my keyword search, which is very, very handy, then you need to make sure that you add this to your Works Cited page. Right. So that's basically it. After you take a look at all of those issue topic databases, you should be well on your way to writing out your working thesis and then getting ready to start your primary research. All right, that's all for now, so happy researching.